Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone's doing okay with the coronavirus and everything. So while this is going on, I decided to go on a journey to discover what you can do with a potato. Yes, I said it, a potato. So here is a quick preview of what to expect. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the potato video. Yo, what's up everyone? Yo, what's up everyone? I hope everyone's doing... Yo, what's up everyone? I hope everyone's doing fine with the coronavirus. And thank you for...